Guy versus garage door. Is the dog overreacting? Truck explodes after propane leak. Have you ever seen such great fireworks? This dog is jumping through an open window.
Oh my god, get back! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What is she trying to do here? What is that device? Please let me know in the comments.
Camera recording.
What would you do in this situation? Let me know in the comments. Can someone explain what is going on here? Look how he just vanishes into thin air. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this one? That's what I call a perfect timing.